Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how to save our current disk as a default. So if I don't like this interface or the view panels whenever the Houdini opens on the first file, so I arrange it like how I want. So I bring this window on the right side, and then I don't need this both the panel over here. I only need the network editor, so I will hide this by clicking over here. And then if I create a box and then I want to see the parameters of the particular node, then simply we can press P on the keyboard. So it will so the parameter window will appear in the right side corner. And if we don't want to see the parameter window, we can again press P to hide that. So simply we can work in this way, so it will not take too many space. And if we want to see like if I close the Houdini FX and again reopen it, will this appear in the same way like we have set for now? So if we close it, discard and quit, and if we again open it, so like how we had did the changes, it did not appear now. So for this we have to do some changes, like first we will arrange the panels, then after doing this we have to go to build and click on save current disk as. Click on this option, and then we can give the name for this current disk, like I am giving this as our first project or favorite. And then click on save. Okay, and again if we close and reopen it, it will not do any changes because we haven't saved it in the preference. So if we go to edit and then click on preference, general user preferences, in this we can see one option like startup in desktop. So we have to select whatever we have written it and then click on accept, and now we have done the changes. Now if we close the Houdini FX and reopen it again, so it has done all the changes what we have applied on it.